Clarendon businessman and football administrator Brandon Murray shot dead. The brazen daylight murder yesterday, Sunday, June the 10th, of John Brandon Murray from the Clarendon Park community in southeast Clarendon sent shockwaves throughout the local football and business communities and left many of the people who knew him speechless.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Murray, a co-founder of Sporting Central Academy, which for some time was a staple in the National Premier Football League, he subsequently sold his shares in the club. He was also a top land developer who rehabilitated many football fields across the island. He was gunned down as he left the Mayfair Hotel in St. Andrew on a Sunday evening. The Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, confirmed that the murder occurred about 4:45 p.m. Murray, the police said, was walking from the hotel on West Kings House Road when men drove up in a white Toyota Probox motorcar and opened gunfire, hitting him several times. Doctors pronounced the 47-year-old football administrator dead upon his arrival at the Kingston Public Hospital. Interestingly, it is the second case of murder at a hotel in that area of St. Andrew in recent times. In the first case, a policeman on suspension was killed at the Terra Nova Hotel. The deceased has been identified as Darren Henry, who was attached to the Motorized Patrol Division. Shortly after 3 o'clock on the morning in question, Constable Henry, who was on suspension from the force, was working as a security guard at the hotel. The policeman and other security guards became suspicious of a vehicle parked near the casino on the property. Constable Henry went to make checks when gunmen in the vehicle opened fire on him. He was hit several times and fell with his firearm in his hand. The cop was pronounced dead at hospital. Another man who was in the vicinity was also shot. Investigators believe that the gunmen were on the compound to target a patron in the casino. Murray, who played football for Monroe College and St. George's College, was heavily involved in the game and was tasked with developing several of the better fields across the country. Among them, Brancourt, Mount Pleasant Academy, Catherine Hall, the Football Federation Centre of Excellence, Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium, and Jassisira Park. He was also a partner in the family-run Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut in Clarendon, which in 2009 was nominated for the Jamaica Observer Business Leader Award. On Sunday, Sport Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange described Murray as a true son of the soil. I knew Brandon very well. I was shocked when I heard that he was murdered. He contributed to the development of football in Jamaica. Himself a former player, he continued contributing as one of the best in sports infrastructure development, Green said. I am really very sad about his untimely passing. He had so much more to contribute. I hope that those involved in his murder will be found and brought to justice swiftly. I pray for his family and loved ones at this time. Jamaica has lost a true son of the soil who was very passionate about the country, Grange added. In a quick response, Central Clarendon Member of Parliament Mike Henry, who is also head of the Humber Lion Football Club, which presently rules the roost in Clarendon football, expressed deep regret at the death of Murray, whom he described as a dedicated individual to the sport of football, especially at the developmental level. Henry said his team may have battled long and hard against Sporting Central over the years, but the friendship between the administrators was good all the way, and it was always a pleasure to drop in on the Murrays for a bite, a drink, and some warm and solid discourse, which invariably involved football. In concluding, he expressed his deepest condolences to the Murray family, one of the brightest sparks on the Clarendon landscape. An outpouring of affection and regard for the life and work of the deceased is similarly building among sports fans and friends and associates in general on social media. The Halfway Tree Police are investigating. Rest in peace, Mr. Murray. Sad. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.